To the channel, and today we are breaking down the SUI price prediction for February 2026, where SUI might be headed next and possible targets and what analytics are saying right now. Let's dive in. Before we get into the targets, let's set the scene. According to the recent market data, a SUI price has been trading around approx $1 1 cent to $1 8 cent range from as early of 2026. But as you can see in the screen, it's almost 0.94 cent. The market structure is still very volatile, with all showing mixed performance, but analytics are watching key level closely. Here's what different price forecast says about SU by February 2026. In a bullish outlook, some analytics sees a breakout above resistance around $2 or $2.20 if momentum continues, with potential target near $2.20 or even higher if volume and breakout confirm. Moderate forecast. The price prediction models suggested that SU might trade roughly around the range, and the other model shows it to around $1.15 in the early February 2026 before being later in the year. So right now the analytics are split. Some sees a mild upside about $2, while others see a tighter range near 1. A few factor analytics are considered. The first is support and resistance level, where buyers and sellers are triggered by the big moves, and also a technical indicator like RSI MACD signal suggested momentum shifts. So market sentiment and volatility, like altcoin, often react strongly to Bitcoin strength or weakness. Plus, the features in a SUI ecosystem like developer activity and network can help a price action if growth. So if crypto, hey everyone, Welcome back to channel. Today we are breaking down a SU price prediction for February 2026 and where this SU might be headed next and possible targets and what analytics are saying right now. Let's dive in. So before we get into targets, let's set a scene, According to the recent market data, a SU price prediction has been trading around approx $1.10 to $1.08 range as of early 2026. The market structure is still very volatile, with the alt showing a mixed performance, but analytics are watching key level closely. So here's what difference of price forecast says about SU by February 2026. The first thing is the bullish outlook. Some analytics sees a breakout above resistance around $2 to $2.20 if momentum continues with a potential target near $2.20 or even higher if volume and breakout confirm. In the moderate forecast, the price prediction model suggested that SU might trade roughly around $1.50 to $1.90 by mid to late February. A neutral range view, the other model shows it stays in range from about 0.99 cent up to $1.15 in early February 2026 before trending later in the year. So right now the analytics are split. Some seats are upside about $2 while other seats like a tighter range near $1 to 1.5 cent. So why these targets? A few factor analytics consider. First factor is the support and resistance level, where the buyers and sellers trigger a big moves. Then also technical indicator like RSI, MACD signals suggested a momentum shifts. Then also market sentiment and very volatile like altcoin often react strongly to Bitcoin's strength or weaknesses. Plus, the feature in a SUI ecosystem like developer activity and network usage and can help a price action if adoption grows. So, in a bullish case, if crypto sentiment turns positive, a SU breaks above key resistance zone near $2 with a strong volume. We see a push toward $2.20 or higher this month, and possibly even into a mid $2 if momentum accelerates. So this scenario usually needs a strong market environment, a bullish news, or broader adoption catalyst. So neutral and a bullish case, if the soup fails to break resistance, it might stay confined between $1 to $1.15. And some models even show a possibility of mild downward pressure before recovery later in the year. This scenario could happen if Bitcoin struggled or altcoin momentum slows. Here are the important price level to watch in February 2026. The support level is $1. Immediate resistance is 1.75 cent to $2. The bullish breakout target is $2.20 plus. This level matters because they often act as a turning point to a big move. So to summarize, the SU February 5, 2026 price prediction could land anywhere from around $1 to $2.20 depending on the market strength and breakout performance. And short-term trader might look at resistance zone, while other term or long-term holder focus on adoption and ecosystem growth. So, what do you think about Su will hit this month? And comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a crypto price update. And also see the description. That's amazing predictions newsletter totally free on that.